Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about adding color and shape to my visualization. As you can see here, I have created this in previous video. So now I just want to add shape and color on this. So just here after this, I just type here comma and type here color equal to, for example, I choose red and run this. Yeah, that's it. You can see I have changed the color thread. At the same way, I can change the color based on one of the columns. As you can see, I just come here. You can see we have species, we have islands. So I just come here and clean this. I can type here species and run this. We can see based on species we have colors. We have 3 species and 3 different colors, and at the same way I can add shapes. For example, I want to add shapes to my species. I just clean the color. I just type here shape and just run this. You can see different species, different shapes. We have circle, we have triangle, and we have square here. But the same way we can use this on other columns. So here the next column is here island. I just change the species to island and just run this. You can see different islands and different shapes, and also I can use alpha in order to modify my islands. So I just type here alpha equal to islands. Run. That's it. You can see it's very easy and straightforward how to modify our data, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.